Hello, my name is Aya, and this is what we've covered so far in calculus. First is the slope. Slope is the rate of change. In order to get the slope, you do rise over run, and the slope is the derivative. In terms of area, we have calculating total displacement, and integration and antiderivative are just two ways of saying calculate the total displacement. One of the ways you can do that is to make infinitely small rectangles like this, and then you could also find the area of a triangle. And in order to do that, you just do 1/2 times base times height. And finding the area or knowing the area of a triangle is helpful, especially if you have like a straight line here, and it can also help you find the area under the curve. Differentiation and integration. Differential calculus is finding the speed from distance, and integration calculus is finding the distance from speed. How do you use slope and area to go between different functions? So you use slope in this way. It goes distance, and then you take the slope of the distance to get velocity, and then you take the slope of velocity to get acceleration. And then for area, you take the area of acceleration to get velocity, take the area of velocity to get distance. A derivative is the slope, and integral is the area under the curve. Now we have some mathematical notations. All of these are just different notations for finding the derivative. These two lines mean then or therefore. This stretched out S means to sum up or to add, and it is also an integral notation. M means meters, M over S means meter per second, M over S squared means meter per second squared. And now we have my function pairs. The first function pair is about the height of water, and this is good to know, especially if you live in places like Zanzibar, because you'll know how where you need to build or start building buildings and how you need to build them according to how high the water will rise at a certain time. And it also will just let you know when you should go fishing or when you need to get back on the shore if you're walking like way out into where water would soon be. This one I made about local fruits, and this type of graph would show you how local fruits might decline in the coming years, or if they are, this could be like a now thing, and if they are declining or how they're declining now. And this one was about animals, the animal population on safaris, and this would just be good to know because you'd be able to know maybe when the cubs would normally be born, and then from there you'd be able to understand or decide if you'd want to bring people on safari, or if you wouldn't want to bring people on safari because the mothers would be more alert. And that's it. Thanks for watching.